It's a 2012 Cadillac SRX. Beauty and functionality flow into one another, giving you an SUV that refuses to compromise. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, front and rear camera parking sensors, AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. The Truth About Cars observes, the original severe form has been softened to add some conventional beauty to the mix, but it's still bolder than the competition and distinctively Cadillac. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us today at 754-220-2988.